Today I'm going to review the doorbell, but before I do that, I'm just going to have this bubble tea that I bought. Okay, sorry I drank too much bubble tea, now I'm a little full. Yeah, I'm going to show you this, how to install. I already disconnected it from my, whoops, sorry. For all the Xiaomi products, go to plus, and then you type in doorbell here. It's faster that way. And select the first is Ding Ling Smart Video Doorbell. So put the batteries in. There is a button here that says reset. So check this wait until voice prompt. I'm gonna hold on to the reset button here for about maybe 10 seconds. Okay, that's when you let go and press on next. Remember to connect to a network that is 2.4 gigahertz. So yeah, the 5G network won't work. So now there's this QR code. So just face it like this. It's just say that it's successfully scanned the QR. So select a room and yeah, next, get started. So now it's already connected. And to connect the receiver to the doorbell, just plug it in. And then you see this middle button. You just need to press on it once and then hold on to the doorbell, this button, for like 10 seconds, and you should receive a notification on your app to connect this to the doorbell, and then you are done. So this doorbell is actually stuck onto this door with like an adhesive sticker, and then you have a screw here provided that you just put it in and tighten with the screw that they provide. And yeah, if you want to take anything out, you have to unscrew this, slot it up, and then you can take out again. So basically, if you want more reinforcement, you can. They did provide screws behind the casing that you can tighten it to your door, but I don't think I want to damage the door for a doorbell because I don't think anyone will steal it. Maybe they will, but yeah. So yeah, you are able to see like whenever someone press a doorbell or there is motion in front of the doorbell, it will capture, and you can set the settings. For example, you can set it to detect motion. If someone stayed at your door for like 2 seconds onwards or 6 seconds onwards, it will start recording a small clip, and you can define the clip for duration like 6 seconds, 10 seconds. But the longer duration will wear out the battery even faster. And if you set it to detect motion all the time, it will drain the battery. So I wanted to talk more about what I like about this doorbell. Is that with this, and if you have many Xiaomi devices, you can actually automate it. So for example, if I go into the menu and then go into automation, you can see that I have set up a few things. So I do have 2 different hubs in the house. The first one is like the Xiaomi hub, and then the second one is an Akara hub. So if you live in a really big house, for example like a bungalow or much bigger than that, you can have a lot of hubs throughout the house. So you can spread the ring of the doorbell. For example, you get a ring on the receiver, and then you can get another few rings on the rest of the hubs. So that way you don't miss like someone at your door or miss like a parcel that you're supposed to receive. So next, I do have a doorbell at the entrance. So just right on top of the entrance, I have a doorbell that I have set to automate that if someone press on the doorbell, I will start recording a video. So in case like someone enters my property illegally, it will start recording a clip of the entrance area. Of course, this guy is already recording something, but I'm just gonna have an extra safety measure to record. Well, there are just two things that I dislike about this doorbell is that there is no live view. So unless someone is pressing the doorbell, I can just view whenever I like. Second is that it lags. So if I receive a notification that someone pressed on my doorbell and I'm trying to connect here to see who is it, it's a bit slow and the person might have walked away. But overall, it's better than the average doorbell. It is good because it keeps a log of the activities at the door, and you can see like from here when it was last pressed. If there are motion, it will keep a recording of the footage. And then on the main homepage, you can actually just easily keep track that when the doorbell was last pressed. So for me, it was like 4:32, and sometimes it gives you a date. I'm gonna ring this doorbell. So this is what happens whenever I ring the doorbell. It will show up on this Xiaomi AI monitor in my living area. I'll be reviewing this monitor next, so if you're interested, remember to click subscribe and click on the bell notification button so that way you get notified when I upload. Lastly, I just want to thank GearBest for sponsoring the Xiaomi doorbell, making this video possible. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I will see you in the next video. Bye!